don't scroll. Come with me as I take you to this amazing pastel painting tutorial. Come with me. If it's your first time coming across this channel, subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more art tutorial like this. Here I explain how I do my work and break it down, as you can see in this wonderful, amazing baby painting. So stay with me as we go into the tutorial. So after having a reference like this, after having my sketch and then begin to apply the color. Well, I might be a little bit fast here because I just want to brief it a little bit. And what I'm here precisely, if you're watching this and you're a beginner or you are an experienced artist and you want to take your art to the next level, with these little tips can help you take your art to the next level. And I'm also here to just encourage you and basically guide you in the little way I can. If you have any problem or question that you want to ask me, feel free to chat me up or drop in the comment section so that I can help you. So I'm just here to spark your brain so that if you see a work like this, you can do it. So I won't start very poor and stuff like that, but today I'm able to do works like this. So I strongly believe in you. You too, you can do it. So all you need to do is just keep practicing, keep creating, keep doing your work. Don't look. As an upcoming artist, I know there's a lot of challenges that you can be passing through, but as your mind goes for the work, you can achieve it. They say a home is where your heart is. So if you really love artwork and if you really love pastel work, what stop you from creating artwork? Just keep drawing, just keep drawing. That's the only thing I can tell you as this. So with the little tips you see here, like I draw this work even halfway before making this video. So you can see from there how I break it down and I was able to come up with the finishing work. It was really amazing. So if you have anybody that is interested in learning passport or all these things, you can connect them to my channel. Hope you learn something from today. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you. I'm out. Come with me as I take down to this picture as I've been explained to this other picture of this pastel drawing, you know. So like I always say, actually I'm just here to spark your brain so that you can take your art to the next level. You understand what I'm saying? So just stay tuned as we go more deep into this amazing art and tutorial. So painting a baby like this was really fun and really amazing, and I really enjoy and had a lot of fun while making this painting. Looking for the reference, as you can see in the picture, was really nice and was honest and like every stroke of brush counts. Every stroke of brush and pencil on this amazing art was really amazing. So one thing with art like this, it used to take some time and patience, because you can see here every stroke of brush or every stroke of pencil, because in some area that earlier on in the face, some of the face I used brush which I was not able to push it out, so just highlight how I came out with this amazing baby portrait. Also come with me, look into the reference picture down here. You can understand it, how far we have come. I was done with the page, then start working on the page. So as you can really see how everything just comes out very nice and very beautiful. So I hope today class 2 is able to learn and understand um, some of the little things I said here in the picture. So don't forget to like, comment, and help me share, and share to some of your friends that have interest in painting or drawing. Basically, here I explain and I teach how I create my amazing artwork using pastel painting. You can see I'm using white, this acrylic to break out the highlight. That's what I was telling you. Here, every stroke or brush or pencil really count and determine the next step of the work, as you can see here in the picture. So we perfectly have this baby picture out here, very clean. So don't forget to join me in my next video. Love you. I'm out. Thank you for watching. Dasunnex Arts.